Any lessons or surprises that you've gleaned after being in that for so long?
Barry from Time to Reply, I vividly remember we were on a call and we were talking about our using the tool to ultimately go in there and address certain complaints or concerns by a specific customer of, hey, it's taking you X time to get back to us, what's going on? I was trying to figure out a way, how do we do this? I could see our replies to them, and that was clear, but Barry ultimately said, and there's also a way that you can run or see the customer's time that it's taking them ultimately to get back
reply
to you, for you to be able to then address their inquiries. Was it received after hours? Was it received at this time, 4:59? All of those things. So I would say for me, as an eye-opening experience, maybe not a lesson, but more of an observation, that was one of those, the light bulb went off moments where we were able to close the loop on the total, not just our part in that, but how the customers feed into that. Everything available that's within Time to Reply is focused around putting it all out there for you. And it's how you use that really determines how successful you're going to be in using those tools and driving improved CX. For us, we're still not using it all, and that's a good part of the journey. The more that we use, I think it will continue to help us improve our CX, but we're still not using all the capabilities yet.
The interface and how you get at the data is actually really simple, especially considering how much data and different views and lenses you can apply to it. The user interface and the user experience inside the tool, I think, is really, really good, and a lot simpler than I would think it would have been when I first started looking at it myself.
Yeah, and it's even gotten easier or better to use in the year and a half that we've had it. So you talk about improved CX. They wanted the voice of their customer, so there's the ability on the tool or the widget, whatever you want to call it, the software itself, where you can provide feedback and give them suggestions on how you can improve it or how they can improve it. So they're really into listening to their customers and then acting on the feedback that they get from us. But everything that it has to offer for us is just tremendously helped us zero in on the email portion, being that the vast majority of all our communications are email focused.